In this chapter, we are going to focus on some typical layout things that can help you in your daily life as a developer. If you have checked out the code or you have done the previous course, you will know that we already have defined a libraries file, and we use this in offer views pre-render. This way we could add a library or load in a CSS file specifically when we render a view. Now in this case we want a general CSS file that gets loaded on every page of this software. Now therefore we need to specify a second library, and we have to use another hook. This hook is called page attachments. So in our offer.module, I'm going to add a second one. This is hook page